Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT on Android. First, you open the app Google or Google Chrome. Here, search for ChatGPT from the search bar on top. Press on the official website of ChatGPT, which is openai.com. Now press on Try ChatGPT. So now, in the conversation box, type a question. For example, let's ask what is the color of the sky. You will be presented with the results. Now press on the 3-bar option on the bottom right side. Now press on Add Page to. Here you can add the results to your home screen. Let's name this as ChatGPT Testing. Go to your home screen now, and you will find the option of the Save Results. This is now your shortcut to ChatGPT and can be used anytime. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share this video.